Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use a sketch set. First, familiarize yourself with the various tools, such as graphite pencils, charcoal, and blending stumps. Next, practice holding each tool correctly to achieve optimal control and comfort. Then, begin with basic exercises like drawing straight lines, circles, and simple shading gradients. This foundational practice will build your confidence and improve your hand-eye coordination significantly. Graphite pencils come in a wide range, from very soft 6B to very hard 4H. Softer B-grade pencils, like 2B or 4B, are perfect for creating rich, dark tones and smooth shading. Conversely, harder H-grade pencils, such as 2H or 3H, are ideal for light outlines, intricate details, and technical drawings. Experiment with each to understand their unique properties and how they contribute to your artwork. Blending tools are essential for achieving smooth transitions and depth in your sketches. Tortillons and blending stumps, made of tightly rolled paper, allow for precise blending in small areas. For larger sections, a cotton swab or even a soft tissue can create a more diffused effect. Remember to layer your graphite gradually and blend gently to build up tones and add realistic dimension to your drawings. To refine your sketch, a kneaded eraser is invaluable for lifting graphite and creating soft highlights, allowing you to sculpt light. For crisp lines and tiny details, a precision eraser is your best friend. Consider adding a touch of charcoal for deeper blacks or a hint of colored pencil to introduce subtle warmth or coolness, bringing your artwork to a polished and impactful conclusion.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.